Hey y'all, it's your girl Wigs by Barbie, and I'm live at Flawless Hair Galore shop today. You guys are gonna watch me work my magic and do an install on my beautiful client. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow all of our socials, which are gonna be linked in the description box below. And I've also included all the hair products I'm using in this video, so check it out in the description box below. And be sure to tell us, you know, what you love about the install in the comments. I'm looking forward to that. Also, if you need to book an install, booking is available on our website, on Instagram, and also text message. If you want to shop some wigs by Flawless Beauty Hair Galore, you can reach out on IG or you can stop by the shop. Thank you so much, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Bye.
Like no hustle, they that they gossip in a ritual. Forget that smile when your mama first today. Oh, if you don't make a shit, I'm not feeling proud of you. Your mind go there when she go compare you with the neighbor son when don't make her.
Final results. It's giving hat, face, body, body T, body T, body T. Yes. Yes. This is how I hype up all my clients, y'all. I love. Let's get into the curls. Okay, let's see. Now look at the camera. Stop saying
Are you okay? Are you okay? Come to my bedroom, 'cause I've had it for you.